Welcome to Marketing Minute number 9. If you want your property media to show up correctly on all the real estate platforms, watch this. You likely invested hundreds of dollars in your digital property marketing media. Are you sure it's showing up on the listing pages for that home on Zillow, realtor.com, and Redfin? Here's how to check. Now, you've stuck with me during the previous 8 marketing minutes, and in this one, I'm going to reward you with information you won't find anywhere else unless you spent the days digging for this information the way I did. Let's get into it. Before I present the details of actions you can take to make sure your media shows up, let me provide a 30,000-foot lay of the land so you can begin to understand where the potential failure points lay. Your local MLS serves as a distribution point for the information about your property listing. You add all the information in the media for the property to the MLS, and they distribute it to all the real estate search sites. In actuality, the real estate sites check with the MLS every few minutes to identify new listings and changes to the listings. Then they update their own property listing pages. Now imagine the complexity involved with scores of real estate search sites with their unique computer code reaching across the internet to scan the MLS. The media needs to be in the correct location on the MLS for it to be retrieved accurately and displayed on the real estate platforms. And sometimes all that computer code doesn't operate according to plans. Let's start with the easiest real estate platform to get correctly displayed, Redfin. Redfin dutifully pulls every link in the 8 media fields provided by the MLS. Here's a screenshot of that section of the MLS below the photos where media links can be added. Bless Redfin, if you add a link into any of the 8 fields there, those links will show up on Redfin down the page under the details section. Here's how the links appear on that page. At the top of the Redfin listing page, in the lower left corner of the main photo, icons will be displayed if your media links include a 3D tour and a video hosted on YouTube and Vimeo. Redfin also automatically adds an icon for floor plans if you include a floor plan in your photos. When you click on any of the media on the listing page, Redfin's media page for that property appears with tabs across the top to access all your media easily in one location. Nice! Finding the Redfin listing page for your property, check if the appropriate media icons are displayed in the lower corner of the main photo, then slide down the page to the details section to confirm that all your media links are showing up. Realtor.com. Realtor.com is not as generous displaying your media. They offer to display only one media link. It shows up in the lower left corner of the main photo at the top of the page. Your choice of 3D tour, video hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, or a property page. They pull the links from the MLS media fields, or they provide a Realtor.com dashboard where you can manually add the links for your listing. Sadly, they don't automatically include a floor plan icon like Redfin does in the main photo. If you do have a floor plan, it must be included as a photo with your MLS pictures to get picked up as one of the gallery photos. Zillow. Oh, Zillow. We've run out of time in this marketing minute to cover the ins and outs of getting your media on Zillow's platform. Watch for the next marketing minute when I will spill the beans on the Zillow secrets you won't hear anywhere else.